Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone problem. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our TikTok and then just go to our profile. Hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner, right up here. So after that, click on More in the right top corner on these three lines to open this toggle list, choose Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down to find Support and About and choose Report a Problem. After opening this page, we need to choose the most suitable topic as for us. So let's wait for a little until it will download it. So we need to click on Follow, Likes and Comments here. And then the next page, we need to choose what directly we have with our problem. So click on Follow. And here we need to unable to follow a user. Click on it right up here. So after that, on this page, we can see the instruction. We can try to use it here. But basically, if we didn't solve this problem after following the steps which are described here, we need to click on No, and then just click on Need More Help. Now we need to describe our problem we have. So, hello, I have a problem. I can't follow anyone. I'm not a bot, and your instruction didn't help me. So after that, we can also add some photos here from our gallery, like screenshots, and then just click on Submit. And maybe in a few hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, the TikTok support team will try to help us. They will solve this problem by themselves, or they will send the instruction to us how can we solve this problem. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.